I got $50 worth of groceries at Safeway because a lot of stuff was on sale. There's a few more in the car, and when you go out to get them, I want you to go down the street and around the corner. There's a free vacuum sitting on the side of the road next to that grove of trees.
Oh, our vacuum just burned out. That one.
Did?
Yep.
Well, we really need a new free one then, don't we?
Yep. Well, they can keep that vacuum cleaner.
You didn't get the cans from the car. Go get them.
You can go into all the hard-to-reach spaces with this head. And it's got all the dusting attachments with it. Like I have this dusting attachment for dusting the keys on the piano.
Have you noticed how many keys have fallen off the piano?
One just did.
One just fell off? Oh my gosh, it did. It's on the ground right there. I don't think I can see it on my camera.
Right there.